What is up, guys? We are in Hoi An.
We've just checked into our hotel. We're staying in the 5-hotel Hoi An. We just headed up to the 7th floor where they have a gym which hasn't got much equipment, but still it's a gym, something for you to do whilst you're here.
It's also got an infinity pool overlooking the sea.
And just opposite the gym is the dining area and the sky bar where you can enjoy drinks and food in the evening.
And we have this queen size bed.
This bed is massive and the room itself is really, really nice as well.
It's actually not hard for once.
And there's also a really nice view from our balcony. So we're just about to head out into Hoi An and explore the streets. But before we do that, we have got a bag full of laundry that needs to get cleaned up. So we're gonna go find a laundromat and hopefully it doesn't cost too much because literally the whole bag is full up. So yeah, let's go get our laundry done and then we'll head out and explore what Hoi An has to offer. So we just rented out our moped here behind us. Actually, this is the one that I wanted to get initially, but I was like, it's a bit pricey, so I'll just go for the basic one. Luckily, when I WhatsApped the guy, I think they ran out of that one and he upgraded me to this one for the same price as the basic one. This is an NVX 155cc. So it's a pretty good bike. And yeah, shout out to Hoi An Bike Rentals. I'll leave them linked down below. Guy was really nice. Service was really great. They delivered it here for free as well, which is awesome. So yeah, now we're gonna head to the laundromat and get our clothes washed. So we just dropped off our laundry here at Laundry Hoi An, 24/7. Right there. Yeah, of you. Yeah, put it on YouTube. So that's where we dropped our laundry off. It is super cheap.
65k.
65k?
Yeah, and the hotel's charging us for individual items. And like a bra is like 30k.
Yeah.
And 2 kilos of washing, 2.5 is 65k.
Yeah, really good price.
Perfect.
So we dropped our laundry off. We're gonna come collect it tomorrow.
Our new friends from Halong Bay told us about Banh Mi Queen, Madame Khan. So we're gonna hit that up.
So we'll see you guys there. So we've just arrived at Banh Mi Queen, and as you can see, you know shops are good when it's got a crowd of people inside and outside. So we're about to head in there now to try out their banh mi.
I'm not sure how to bite this because it's a bit awkward. So there we go. I think it might be better than the one in Hanoi.
So like Charles said, our friends recommended this place to us, and now we're recommending it to you. If you're ever in Hoi An, definitely come to Banh Mi Queen. These slap. Just finished off at Banh Mi Queen and I am so full up. Their banh mis are amazing, but now we're gonna head to the main part of Hoi An where you see all those nice lights, where the market is. We're gonna hop back on our motorbike. And it should only be around the corner from here, so we're going to ride and try to find it because our internet's not working. So we have just arrived at one of the main parts in Hoi An, and look at this behind me. I mean, the camera doesn't even do it justice. It looks incredible here.
So pretty.
So vibrant, so bright. There's so many lights everywhere. There's restaurants. Yeah, this place is popping.
Well, good morning from sunny Hoi An. So we just picked up our laundry and I bought this outfit on the way. I just thought I'd put it on because it wasn't raining at the time. But yeah, we just got drenched on the way back to our hotel. It's kind of ruining our plans because we wanted to do coconut boats today and go to Mae Son, but the weather's just not looking up for it. Ooh. But yeah, I'm not really sure. It was thundering last night and I'm drenched. So
You're drenched? I am literally so wet that my top is stuck to my chest.
to be fair, I'm more dry than he is.
I was shielding her on the motorbike. I'm soaking wet, man.
But do you like our outfits?
It's the first time it was matched. And I rate it. Yeah, this sucks. The beach is right there. I can literally see it from where I'm standing, and it is pouring with rain. I was looking forward to jumping in the water today, but I don't know, we'll see. Maybe it will clear up, hopefully it does. I think regardless of whether it clears up or not, we're still probably gonna go at least to like Mae Son or something like that. That doesn't involve getting in water.
Well, we've got clean clothes now, so we can put those back on and then put on some raincoats and not waste a day.
Yeah, no point staying in. Might as well make the most of it.
I guess we'll see you when we see you because I'm not sure where we're gonna end up today. So Mae Son is an hour drive and I'm not happy to do that on a motorbike. That is just long in this weather, and the coconut boats is out of the question because I'm not going to sit on the river in the rain. So we end up in Hoi An the main part of Hoi An, and we're just about to get some food really. I think we're just gonna have a chill day, and we've decided to be so British and get hamburgers. So we've just finished up eating our burgers, which wasn't the best, but what do you expect ordering Western food in a place like this? But Hoi An in the day is completely different tonight, and you'll see when we come back later on. So we found a guy that does custom-made stamps, and we're about to go get Antonio's channel logo put onto a stamp for AJ Bance. By far, Hoi An has to be one of my favorite places in Vietnam. So during the daytime, the streets are open to motorbikes, and at nighttime it's shut off, so you can just walk freely. It's one of the coolest places to do shopping and one of the cheapest. Look at this that I bought. It's got a grain of rice with my name on it. And this is a place you can come to get anything custom made. It is filled with tons of tailors like these ones.
So we've just got here to the stamp shop, as you can see. And here you can get your custom stamps done. I'm getting this one. This one's for my actual own personal channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, AJ Bance. And yeah, they do custom stamps. You just email it to them and they print it off for you. So we're gonna get it done and see what it looks like. So we just paid 100k for the stamp, and we'll come back at 5 o'clock to pick it up.
That's like £3, man. Like, just over.
Amazing prices out here.
Alright, whilst we wait for Antonio's stamp to be made, we thought we would just bring you along to the beach whilst the rain has stopped. We are at Hoi An. What is it?
I don't even know.
I cannot pronounce the name for the life of me, but we're not that far from An Bang Beach. It's like a 5-minute, not even a 5-minute drive down the road, but come on, let's go see the beach. It looks nice. So this isn't the cleanest beach, but once you get further down to the water, the sand seems all right. I mean, it's pretty empty today because of the weather, but they've got like some beach bars and chairs and stuff that you can rent out over there. But it's a nice beach. The guy that we rented out the ped from, he basically sent us a link with all like hidden beaches along the island. But unfortunately, driving through the rain to find hidden beaches isn't the day to do it today. So we might check it out tomorrow if we have time. But yeah, look at this. That's Da Nang in the far end over there. I don't know if you can see those buildings, but it's quite nice.
So guys, Chelsea's about to attempt her first, well actually her second time trying to attempt to ride a moped, and I'm going to get on the back of her because I can't afford her crashing this. Okay, you turn it to the on position.
Yeah.
And then put your foot down, lift the bike up, kick the pedal up, this kickstand, sorry.
Hold on, am I holding it like on my own?
Yeah, you're holding it on your own.
Oh, yeah?
Now hold the brake.
But how do I...
Hold the brake.
Yeah.
Are you revving?
No.
Don't rev. Press this.
Revs
Press
this way, yeah?
Yeah, press this. It's on now. Now if you rev, you're going to go. Okay?
No, get on!
I'm going to get on. Wait, your bag's on.
Ah! Tonyo! It's falling with you! Get on this bit, stupid! No, you make it heavier!
Okay.
I don't understand.
Okay. Are you ready?
No, I'm not ready. Are you going to hold the brake?
Put this straight. Yeah, my hand's going to be on the brake. But make sure if I tell you let go of this, let go of it, yeah?
Okay, which way? This way?
Yeah, you got that. This is fast, so you only need to do it a little bit. Okay, go on. Go on.
How do I reverse?
Use your legs.
It doesn't matter. I don't want... Oh no! I told you!
It's alright, you didn't damage it.
No, I didn't. I dropped it really lightly. Ah, it's heavy though. It is heavy. I reckon if I had a lighter one, I could do it. Yeah. Okay, enough.
She's getting there, guys. You did pretty good.
I hit my foot.
I don't know about you guys, but I would say that's a success.
Well, it was better than the first time I tried, and I did drop it, but there's no damages to it, so...
There was a light drop on the grass as well.
I reckon if I have a lighter one, I could probably do it, but I'm not gonna lie, I suck at this.
Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it.
Ugh.
You'll get the hang of it. This motorbike is pretty heavy for a beginner, and she's also pretty small. It's a 155 on the ped, it's got a pretty big engine, so it's heavier than the normal ped. but you'll learn. I'm proud of you.
I hurt my foot
You did hurt your foot and your leg and your arm. You'll be alright. Anyways, we're gonna head to our hotel now, get changed, and then head out for evening in Hoi An. Go pick up my stamp. So we've just come back to the hotel, got our matching outfits on.
though. We've changed again because the rain has stopped.
And we are about to head out back to Hoi An's main strip. Hopefully it's not too packed right now. We're leaving, I think it's about 5 o'clock now.
Yeah.
So hopefully it's not too packed. We'll go to the bridge and we'll go take a walk. And if it doesn't rain, then we'll go on the boats as well.
And look what came to our door today. They have delivered our suitcase. £15. Like
And free delivery.
450k.
Yeah, $450,000.
Free delivery. I mean, it's so great out here. They offer to deliver everything back to your hotel for free. Like, this is amazing. So we're gonna hop on the motorbike and head back to Hoi An, main strip. So, good tip for the ladies, right? When you're coming out to Vietnam, one, don't bother doing your hair because it's so humid, your hair will just drop out. And two, if you're on a motorbike, you're gonna put a helmet on, your hair's gonna get ruined, so just don't bother. And also, we've just arrived to the main part of Hoi An. Doesn't look like it right now because we're in some alleyway, but we're about to head there. So we have just arrived at the Japanese bridge in Hoi An, and as you can see, it is absolutely packed. During the day, it's not so bad. It's still packed, but not too bad. But at night time, it is just crawling with people. I mean, you're lucky if you get an Instagram picture here. You do have to wear a life jacket on this boat, so if you're coming for pictures, you better make it snappy because they want your life jacket on. But I can't even tell you in words how beautiful Hoi An actually is. It's one of the most amazing places in Vietnam. If you are coming, you have to make this your stop. So we paid 150k for 2 people on this boat and 10k for the candles to make your wishes, and we're about to go under the bridge. So we have crashed into 4 different boats. It's a bit of a traffic jam on this river. And are we gonna make it under, or is this boat gonna crash into us? That's coming. Oh yeah. We just got off the boats. It was an amazing experience, although there's lots of people around, but what do you expect? Everywhere you go, there's gonna be tourists. It's not a secret, but look how busy the bridge is. But we're just gonna cross it over and go to the market. It's got food stores, it's got clothes shops. Let's go. You see, I've got my necklace with my name on it, and it's a rice grain, they write your name on it. So we're back today, and we're about to get some more, and they're just doing it now. So these are it. You can't really see it properly because it's in plastic, but this is the place we got it from. As soon as you enter the market in Hoi An, and it's the only place that we've seen that does it. So go get your rice grains with your name on it. Sit. Thank you. All right, guys, this is the moment of truth. We got the durian. I got a glove. I paid, it was 20k, but she gave me back 10 off. So yeah. Man, it smells like something that comes out your butt. Okay, it's very mushy. I don't know what I'm doing with this. No, not good? No.
I haven't tried.
Oh, neither, not yet.
Not yet?
I'm scared. You first.
Be serious.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Better than the smell. Very good. Better than the smell.
Just, yeah,
Yeah, that's better.
much better than the smell, but I think it's something you're gonna have to hold your nose. But the aftertaste is like fart in your mouth.
I can't say it.
You like it? Oh no, I have to get this on this as well.
Go try. Yeah.
All right, guys, Antonia's about to try it for £100. You didn't swallow it, so you didn't get it.
That's right.
Alright, bye. Right, that's no deal. You didn't swallow it. Yeah, you didn't swallow it.
Hands down, the worst thing I have ever tasted in my entire life. I nearly vomited. It's that bad.
Honestly, it's not nice. Like, I can't say you could get used to it. I don't know how some people eat it. It actually leaves such a nasty, farty taste in your mouth afterwards. It's disgusting. Put it in the comments below, yeah? Should I give him £100? He just put it in his mouth, he didn't swallow it.
She specifically said, if you taste it, I'll give you £100, not if you eat it and swallow it.
But,
I tasted it.
you know what? I'm gonna leave it in the hands of you guys. If you think I should give him £100 just for biting it, then I'll give it to him. But, I personally think he should have just swallowed the bite. That's £100.
We had a handshake and agreement on taste. Remember that when you comment. But anyways, we're going to move on now. I forgot, we need to go get my stamp. So we've just arrived back here at the stamp shop and it looks amazing. So there is the stamp. It came out really, really good, even better than I thought it was going to. So big shouts out to these guys. If you guys are in Hoi An, come and check them out. Their stamps are really cool.
We're going to put a link in the description below for his page as well, if anyone's into gaming tech.
Make sure you check it out.
We've just come to this reggae bar to get some food. I'm not going to eat. I'm not that hungry. Antonio's going to eat. It's got Jenga. It's got a nice view. And after I'm going to go back to the market because my mum has bombarded me because she wants so many things from here. So I'm going to be back to the market, grab her whatever she wants, and then back to the hotel and call it a night. And then hopefully the weather actually looks up so we can get some stuff done tomorrow. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.